Hi guys, this is Marco and this is a new tutorial. Today we will see how to build a business card with GitHub APIs. Um, well, I was surfing the internet a few days ago and I found this article by Vikash Agarwal from Front End Weekly on Medium, and I recommend you to read this article. It's very rich and full of information about Ajax, async, callback, and promise. And as you can see, it's a quite long article with videos, examples, but I mean it is worth the reading. Okay, so at the end you'll see, let's see, the section about jQuery and Ajax with promise. I saw he uses the GitHub APIs to retrieve some information about his profile. So I thought it was a good exercise to build this business card with the GitHub APIs and make something like this. Okay. So let's see how to do it. Well, first of all, we add jQuery to our code pen. Okay, save and close. And then we start from the HTML file. So first of all, we create the wrapper. Okay, and then we add the div where we put, or well, where we will append, but we'll see it later, the image, and then the div. Sorry guys, and then the div for the name, and lastly for the website, the personal website, I mean. And we enclose all of these divs in the wrapper. Okay, let's identify our code a little bit. Fine. Go to our JavaScript part. Let's start creating the function. Okay. It's make Ajax call. Okay, make Ajax call. Don't worry, also post the link of that article below this video. Okay, so we pass the URL, the method type, and lastly the callback. Good. Inside the function we return the Ajax call. Okay, where we set the URL, okay, the method, and we say this is a JSON file. We deal with a JSON file. Good. After that, we need to get the APIs of our profile. Here's the API, the JSON file from the API of my profile, and we need to store it in a variable. Let's get it. Okay. And okay, and let's go the function again. Make Ajax call. we pass the URL and the get method. And now we add the then method where we put another function, okay, with this parameter, okay, and then we say we want the well, the image first of all. So document get element by ID image inner HTML, and we set it equal to resp JSON dot avatar underscore URL. And as you can see, we don't get an image, we get a string, and we need to figure out how to turn it into an image, and we will see it later, okay? So then we also want to display our name, so we copy and paste, we get the div name, this ID, okay, so it's name, and then let's see the JSON file to get my name. So here, so it's name, okay, so resp JSON dot name, and here it is. Good. Then we also want to display the website, the portfolio website. So once again, we copy this, and we it should be blog. Yeah, here. Get the blog ID, and instead of name, we write blog again. Good. Maybe we should also add the location after the name. So let's go back to our HTML file, ID, city, and we close the div. Okay, so name, we get the city div, and it should be the location. Okay, so resp JSON dot location. Good. So we retrieved data from our JSON file, but we didn't get the image yet. We need to work a little bit on it. Let's see. So first of all, I want to comment this line. So I still have it, but it doesn't appear. Okay, right? Well, I can save in a variable. I can save in a variable this to get string. Okay. We delete this, and yeah, we now save this data, this string, in the variable. Then after that, we get the image, right? The image div, and we append this piece of code. So this one works better. So it's an image with the certs, okay. Then we get the variable, and then again, okay. Okay, it works now. We can delete our comment. Okay, so now we have all of the data we need to get our business card. We have to work a little bit on our CSS to make it look better. So we can close the JS and go ahead with our CSS. First of all, let's talk about the body. Let's say we want different background color. It could be this one. I have already got it for you. Okay. I also want different font. I got it from Google Fonts. Montserrat, it's quite a popular one. So we need to get this link into our head section and then just copy this to reduce any room for mistake. Okay, different font, good. We can also get a different color for our font, for our text. Okay. Well, add a different font size. It should be something like 40 pixels, maybe. Good. Okay, then we go ahead with the wrapper. And we want text to be in the center. If we write it correctly. Third attempt, okay. Let's work our image a little bit. We style a little bit our image. Let's get it from the tag. Okay, border radius 100 pixel. Good. We also add a border. Should be solid for sure. Maybe 3 pixel and white. Okay, looks better. And then we want our divs to have a margin top of 20 pixels. We already added color to our text, and well, yeah, we are done. So just to recap, starting from this great article on Medium by Vikash Agarwal, we built a business card from using GitHub APIs, and we also styled it a little bit with CSS. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I recommend you to read this article, and please post your comment below the video. Okay, bye guys.